In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TurboTax Online without getting charged before you file, including abandoning a return or switching products. Here's the key idea up front. With TurboTax Online, you can explore and use most features at no cost until you choose to print your return or electronically file it. That means you can create an account, enter your information, run the interview, and even see how your tax situation is shaping up. Fees only come into play when you take the final step to print or e-file. So if you're still deciding or comparing options, you're safe to look around. If you haven't filed and you don't want to continue, you can simply stop. Do nothing. Close the browser, sign out, and choose another method if that suits you better. Because you didn't print or e-file, there's no charge. Think of it like walking through a store and browsing without buying. As long as you don't proceed to checkout, here, that's the print or file stage, you won't be billed. This is especially helpful if you started a return just to see how the software feels or to estimate your refund or balance due, and then decided you'd rather use a different approach. Another option is switching products within TurboTax before you file. If your tax situation qualifies for TurboTax Free Edition, you can move to that product from within the software as long as you haven't printed or e-filed yet. This can be useful if you began in a paid version but realize your forms and income types fit the Free Edition's criteria. When you switch, the program will guide you and reflect the correct features and price for the product you're eligible for. Remember, eligibility depends on the complexity of your return, so review what's included in each product to make sure it still covers your forms and credits. If you're eligible, your price will update accordingly, and you can keep working without incurring charges. A few tips to keep everything smooth. Watch for any screen that asks you to pay, select print, or proceed to e-file. If you don't confirm those actions, you won't be charged. If you decide to switch products, do it before finalizing anything. And if you ultimately choose not to use TurboTax, simply leave the return as is. That's it. Use TurboTax Online freely to explore, abandon the return if you change your mind, and switch to a different product before filing if you're eligible, all without paying a cent until you print or e-file.